Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove all tagged photos on Facebook at once. It's very simple, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open Facebook and then go to your profile. To go to your Facebook profile, tap on this option on the top right hand side. Then in the menu, tap on your name and your Facebook profile will open. In the profile, tap on these three dots and your profile settings will open. Here you will see different options. Tap on activity log. Then you will see your Facebook activity. Tap on it, scroll down and you will see this option activity you are tagged in. Tap on it. If you want to remove posts or comments, tap on the first option, and to remove photos and videos you are tagged in, tap on the second option, and to remove all tags, just tap on manage tags. Then you will see all the activity you are tagged in, so select all from top left hand side and then remove tags from the bottom. Then again tap on remove tags and your tags will be removed. This is how you can remove all tagged photos on Facebook at once.